It's an XB coupe. It's been sort of restored. Car's had numerous rust repairs, as pretty well all XBs do. Some of them are good repairs, some of them are not.
This is now, oh, look at this.
Nice silicone repairs. Lovely.
Because the car's come on a car transporter in the rain, it showed up all the water leaks. The two front carpets are absolutely soaking wet with rainwater. There's rainwater inside the trunk. So it's got water leaks all over the place, which is pretty normal too, but we'll find all the origins of those soon enough. We saved a car. Somebody had restored this, and their restoration method was less than quality. Steel wool and Sikaflex, and then a truckload of bog. So we've cut all that out and found these water leaks, and as you can see, it'll be a nice, strong, sturdy car that doesn't leak water after this, and it'll last a long time. This is the scuttle panel after it's been blasted. Needs a bit of repairing. A lot of the areas in the 70s just never got any paint. It's bare metal to begin with. So, and they weren't the best design. This drain rail fills up with dirt, and then it blocks, rots, and just eats away. And they all do it. They did it in the 70s and they did it in the 80s. Rusted out. We've repaired all the underside plenum, which is a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. Taken out all the rust out of the top side, so now all the structural integrity is back in it. Rebuilt the corner pillars, which are 4 layers of metal, different panels that all relate one to the other to add the strength into the bulkhead, which is that main section. This car would have been flexing like crazy without any metal in there at all. So here we are with our 1975 XB coupe that we're showing a fit out on. Unfortunately, as per usual, we found a lot of rust, so the upper and lower plenum has been rebuilt, the top edge of the firewall, all the pillars, replacement seal panels, and of course we put our reinforcement seal panels in on the inner sill. All the torque boxes were repaired as well, front cross member repaired, the whole underside cleaned, retexture coated, and then painted in gloss black. So where we're up to now is we're about to fit the 3-link.